Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. So you have to just open your Facebook account on the Android device or iOS. The solution is for both. So when it's open, so you have to click to the three horizontal lines of the top right. So you have to click to the profile icon arrow, and you have to click switch accounts, and there will be two accounts logged in Facebook. So you have to remove the both of these multiple accounts. So you have to just simply log out. So you have to the top right corner is the setting. You have to click it and manage profile. So you have to click anyone of profile and remove profile. So remove profile. So this is how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.